Hi, I'm Kelsey and this is how to get my signature look with touch of silver. I begin by sectioning my hair at the front in two and separating them with a clip. I have prepped my hair using brightening shampoo and intensive conditioner. I then back comb the rest of my hair and spray the roots behind the front section with revitalising dry shampoo. This gives it body and a slight beehive effect. Next, I take the front section and I blend it in with the rest of the beehive. I love using Touch of Silver products because the brightening shampoo gives my hair a nice silvery tone. Then I move on to the plait, starting from the back of the beehive and working my way down to the tip. I love being blonde because the colour makes us feel so fresh and summery. To really maximise the texture, I use a bit more revitalising dry shampoo and pull and rub the plait between my fingers. Finally, I use some firm hold hairspray to tame any flyaways. And here it is, my signature look thanks to Touch of Silver.